Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to check your Bank of Baroda account balance using SMS in 2025. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances on the go is essential, and this method is simple, secure, and doesn't require an internet connection. Whether you're traveling or just away from your phone's data, SMS banking is a reliable option. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that your mobile number is registered with your Bank of Baroda account. If it's not, head to your nearest branch or use the bank's mobile app to register it quickly. This step is crucial for security reasons. Once registered, open your phone's messaging app. Compose a new SMS and type in the keyword, BAL, that's BAL. Make sure it's in uppercase for it to work properly. Then, send this message to the bank's dedicated short code, which is 56161. After sending the SMS, you'll receive a response from the bank within a few seconds or minutes. This reply will contain your current account balance details, including any recent transactions if applicable. It's that straightforward. Keep in mind a few tips to make this process smooth. First, check if your mobile plan includes SMS charges, as this service might incur a small fee. Also, if you have multiple Bank of Baroda accounts, you may need to include your account number in the SMS, like BAL 123,456,789 feet to specify which account. In case you don't receive a response or encounter any errors, double-check your registered number and try again. If issues persist, contact Bank of Baroda's customer support through their helpline or website. There you have it. Checking your balance via SMS is quick and easy. This method is perfect for 2025's digital age while keeping things simple. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.